For today's video, I'm showing you guys my #1 go-to, super fast, super easy bun. You are going to love it. You can mimic this in under 1 minute. So what are you waiting for? Go check out the video. Hey beautiful people, it's Kimberly. Welcome to another video. And before I start the video, I just want to say if you notice the difference in the lighting, it's because I'm using different lamps. I'm using different lighting here. I thought my other lighting made me look too overexposed, and now I want to dumb it down to the absolute minimum. So we're just going to go with it and see what it looks like. And if it doesn't work, then we'll figure out something else then. But once I find the perfect setting, I will let you guys know exactly what I'm using, because I know there's some of you out there that are just wondering that. Okay, so having said that, you guys know me. I like short, quick videos that are straight to the point, no BS, just, you know, all information. So I'm gonna get right into it. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and here we go. So this bun that I'm going to show you guys is my absolute go-to bun. When nothing else works, when I need to desperately wash my hair, when I just need to have something cute, quick, and easy, and I have no time to think about it, this is the bun I make. You're going to love it. It's so easy. I wasn't even sure if I was going to make this video, but I'm getting so many compliments on this bun that, you know, why the heck not? What you're gonna need to make this bun, it's minimal. You will definitely need like a elastic band. Any type would work. You could use one like this, anything that can put your hair in a ponytail. I prefer to use the thicker ones because they give more volume and hold to the bun itself. You'll see once I start making it. You're also gonna need bobby pins or these little things. They're like little clippies. I like to use these because they have more hold, and I don't like to mess with the bobby pins and all that stuff. Not happening. Of course, you're not gonna need a comb or a brush, whatever you use on your hair. I'm also using Cream of Nature with Argan Oil's Perfect Edges. And I'm also using Frizz Buster Serum from Fantasia, which is my go-to since I was like 16. But yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some Frizz Buster in my hair. And I actually just washed my hair yesterday. This look works better if your hair is a little bit, you know, like 2-day-old hair, because your hair is a little heavier and stuff. But I'm not going to bother with it. I'm just going to put it in. And just so it adds some extra weight to my hair. I don't put a lot of it in because it does weigh my hair down a little bit. But here we go. I'm just gonna comb it really roughly. You don't want it to be too neat. Next, I'm gonna put my hair in a bun at the top of my head using my big scrunchie. There, and with this bun, you actually want it like right, I like it right on top of my head. So you're just gonna make a ponytail like that. La, easy peasy. Next, you are going to take the hair like this. You're gonna twist it maybe like 1 time, really lightly. And you're just gonna wrap it around the elastic band all the way through. Like that. Use your clippy to clip it in place. And maybe to hide some pieces that are loose that you didn't quite catch. There. This is how I like to use the gel. I just stick my spoolie brush in there. Just a little bit, and I get a little bit of product on the spoolie. So then I go to where I want my edges to be, like here. So then I'm gonna comb the edge right up here, and I'm gonna repeat that hair. There, I'll keep a second one here. I always like to take the hair here and pull it down. Like that. So this is the difference. This is the plain side, and this is the side with the edges. I'm gonna do the other side now. I always like to take a tissue and just blot it and flatten it, and that takes away some of the greasiness from your, the shine that the grease leaves. It takes it away, so you're just gonna blot it without trying to damage it. Now these edges are not perfect, but they're awfully cute, right? Okay, so now we just pop in some cute earrings. And there we go. That is my bun. Okay, I hope you guys love this video. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to slam that subscribe button while you're at it. And I will see you guys again next week in another video.